Hello, this is Rob and welcome to Scale Model Maker. I hope you're having a great day today. I wanted to give you a quick look at a model I built several years ago from Fujimi in 1/24 scale. It's my favorite car in the whole world, a Shelby AC Cobra 427. The model features crisp moldings with white metal parts, machined headlight bezels, white metal side pipes, window frame, snap rivets, side mirrors, and other bits and pieces. The model was a real pleasure to build, and with the upgraded parts and some extra detailing, this Cobra has become one of my favorite models. I always dreamed of building a full-size Cobra, but sadly that dream has yet to be realized. So instead I built this Cobra in 1/24 scale. If you can find this kit, the Fujimi 1/24 scale Shelby Cobra Deluxe Edition, grab it and build it. You're going to love it. Thanks for your time and for visiting Scale Model Maker. If you like what you've seen, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, please click the like button. As always, thanks for your time and have a great day.